Hey y'all. So once again I considered not posting this video, but I thought about it and doing this whole YouTube thing, I can't just show the good trips, I gotta show the bad ones too. And today was definitely a bad one. I just didn't get the bites. I went out there, got bait, got some nice blue runners. I missed one bite out deep in 300 plus feet out deep, toothy critter. Cut my blue runner in half. Never felt the bite, so um, yeah, that was. I had that bite, and I had another. I'm assuming it was a mahi bite when I was jigging, because it jumped and spit the hook real quick, but it also could have been a sail or a cuda. Um, didn't really get a good look at it when it jumped, but other than that, those were really the only bites I had. I went out with some buddies, and yeah. So, after trolling all morning. Alright, first fish of the day. Got attacked by something. After trolling all morning, I went to start jigging on a ledge and, try and salvage the trip. So this fish got eaten, and I'm pretty sure it was a grouper because it was going down, and it didn't break on the leader. I had like a 12-foot leader, and it broke in a weak spot in the line, so it was going straight down. But tied a new leader, tied a new jig. Shortly after, hooked up again. And some days I kill it, some days I don't. Today was the day that I struggled all day. So a lot of people like to do the slow pitch jigging. I am totally not a fan of that. I will speed jig until my arms fall off. I think you get a better reaction bite. You're pulling a piece of metal through the water. I really don't want a fish to have a good look at it before it hits. Or at least that's my theory. And after that Almaco, the bite just completely shut down on this ledge. on the way in, I hooked up on the deep bait, and it wasn't really fighting that hard, so I wasn't really sure what I had, but I think it was either like a small triggerfish or small barracuda, because it never really made any screaming runs. It was just kind of coming in. So, and then after it started to try and pull, it just popped off. So who knows what it was. Whatever it was small though. Well, that was an extremely slow day. Probably one of my slowest trips of the year. Never got the big bite on bait. You know, I had missed one. Actually, I did get one nice bite out in 300 plus feet of water on a blue runner down deep. Cut my runner in half, or not in half. He just left the head, and never took off. So I never knew I got bit. Aside from that, I had one other fish hit a flat line. It jumped. Couldn't see it because it was out of the corner of my eye, but it was either a small sail, big mahi, or a cuda. So it happens. Got it bit when I was jigging and jumped immediately, pretty much. But yeah, dude, it was real slow. Days like this happen, in these transition months when it's going from summer to fall. Sometimes there's no fish around. And I think there were 5 kayakers out there today, and only one got a decent king. Other than that, it was slow. My one honey hole got a few Almaco jacks out of it, but I'm not out there to catch Almaco jacks. I'm out there looking for the big fish. But yeah, hopefully next trip's going to be better. Till next time, like and subscribe. See ya.